I'm here to talk about a RIST procedure, which is a procedure that we must follow every time we handle a wheel end assembly. The R is for removal of foreign objects, foreign debris. We're cleaning all the mating surfaces, the studs, the nuts, the pilot pads, the brake drum, the wheel, inner and outer. It's removal of foreign debris. We're inspecting. I is inspect. We're inspecting all the wheel components, the brake drum, the studs, the nuts, the wheels, the wheel assembly. Everything needs to be inspected. Snug is a star pattern, snugging the lug nuts to a projected 50 foot-pounds. From there, we go into a torque specification. Refer to our manuals, depending on what lug nut you're using, if it's a dry assembly or if it's a wet assembly. So every step has to be followed during a RIST procedure when handling a wheel assembly.